Good afternoon, colleagues. My name is Efrain. I'm from Industrial Engineering. I will talk about dolphins. Dolphins are marine mammals. Closely related is whales, and porpoise. There are about 40 species of the dolphins, grouped, grouped in the 70 genera. The biggest of the dolphin is the killer whale, or also known or orca. Uh, the dolphin, the dolphins are carnivorous, minus source of food, being fish, um, biscuits. The dolphin have an agile, fusiform body and adapted to swim at and high speed. Um, Dolphins can swim uh, up to 2,060 meters and below the surface of the ocean. They can stay up to 50 minutes under weather would cannot breathe on the reef. Um, Most dolphins have very developed eggs. Um, the dolphins are sociable animals and very intelligent. Um, for the dolphins have curious social behaviors that shorter grade in intelligence. For example, dolphins have been um, caring for others of their home, especially with worms or sick and even helping them to rise to breathing. Um, my favorite animal is the dolphin because it's very friendly and intelligent. Uh, so, do you have any questions?